We are entering Illinois. This is where the state line is.
The Mississippi River.
The Mississippi River. Where are we now? And I'm still so happy. It won't tear. Okay, we're at Lou what?
Malnati's.
Lou Malnati's. Why did you take me here?
For the dip dish
Deep dish?
pizza.
But why this particular place?
That is the closest I can find.
But it has very good reviews, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm sure it's open.
Because I didn't have any breakfast today.
Hi.
Hello. Good.
You open, right?
We came all the way from Oregon just to eat your pizza. No, seriously. Yeah.
You guys want a table or booth?
Come
Have
to.
a seat, guys. I'll be looking in a few minutes.
Alright, thank you.
So this is the menu. I think we're just gonna ask her what's the most popular item here, and then we'll just try that. Okay, here she comes. Okay,
Can I grab
okay.
you some drinks while you're going over the menus? I have Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, pink lemonade, root beer, blue Powerade, ginger ale.
I'll have Diet Dr. Pepper, you said?
No, I just have Coke, Diet Coke, root beer, pink lemonade, Sprite.
The root beer, that's not diet, right?
No, it's just regular.
I'll do the Diet
Diet Coke?
Yeah.
I'll just have water.
Yeah, you got it. The two on the top, there's the two specialty ones. So this one, everybody loves the Malnati Chicago Classic because it has a sausage patty on it.
Oh.
So that it covers the inside. So there's sausage through the entire pizza. So you get sausage in every bite that you eat.
Okay.
So that's kind of what we're known for. And then that one's only deep dish. And you can add, other ingredients if you'd like to do that as well. But it also has extra cheese and butter crust, which makes it a whole lot better. And then we have the Lou. The Lou's like our veggie one. Is the mushrooms, cheddar cheese, Roma tomatoes, and then it has a spinach mix, and our spinach mix is enhanced with garlic and onion. So the garlic and onion are cooked with the spinach before it goes onto the pizza.
Sounds
So
good.
it gives it a little, an extra little hint. And that one comes in deep dish and thin crust. Are you guys in town, or are you traveling through, or you're passing through?
Yeah, we're on our way to New York.
Okay. Well, just because I don't want to have you get a big pizza and have to take a bunch of stuff
Right,
with you, so I'm
right.
just trying to figure out. So we do offer lunch specials during the day, and it's a little personal deep dish. It's like the inside of that plate, so it's like this big. But it's deep dish, so don't forget it's like this thick.
How thick again?
It's like this thick. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
this
deep
thick.
dish. So yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, it's a lot. Even for a little baby pizza, it's hefty. It really is. And that one, and the lunch special comes with a super salad. And our salad is probably one of the best you'll ever have. It's our Malnati salad. It's one of our most popular things. We get everybody from all over the U.S. when they come through. They love that salad and they love that dressing.
Okay.
It's got bruschetta.
You have to get
it's got
one.
bruschetta tomatoes, mushrooms, black olives, blue cheese, salami bits, and it's in a sweet onion vinaigrette. It's homemade. All of our dressings are homemade, so everything's made here in the store. But yeah, so I mean, and you can get whatever kind of pizza you want. But those are just like what we put on the menus for like options. But you can get anything else you want on it. You can do whatever you want with the pizzas. There's
So the lunch is the small pizza, like you said.
It's a personal one for
and a salad.
And then and then you could have the specialty salad, or you could have a house salad. But I always try to for first timers. I always try to push the Malnati salad because if it's just if you've never had it, it's something you should probably have while you're here.
I think I'll do that.
Yeah, sure.
You guys want to do that? Yeah.
And then get two varieties of pizza.
Because they cut them in half, so you guys can each get half and split it.
Yeah.
So all right. So how do you guys want to do your pizza?
So one Lu and one Malnati, right?
You want to do one Lu and one classic?
One classic.
Okay, yeah. And then do you want 2 Malnati salads, or do you want 1 Malnati salad and 1 house salad?
I think just try the.
You want both of them? Both Malnatis?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the house special Malnati salad. Looks really, really good.
I mean the sauce is not too tart, not too sweet. The sauce is not too tart, not too sweet. The crust is very good. And serious sausages. Yeah. So good.
Sausage. Look at the sausage inside the pizza. This is the veggie deep dish pizza. I don't think I can do it.
I like the crust. The crust is good.
Now I know what is deep dish pizza, because pizza fills me up really quickly, and when I heard of deep dish, I'm like, really? There's a lot of dough, but actually the depth is only the crust. But over here, the base is kind of thin actually, and the crust is really crispy, and I like that a lot.